Hi and welcome. Daniela here with a new mixed media layout created with the May kits and the Embellishment Kit. I also used the Pocket Life stamp set and some cut files. First of all, I started by creating a mixed media background, and I want to show you how you can do this quick and easy. You see, I just added some of the color included in the color kit on white cardstock, and then I am working with one of those foils from the packages, and we can do this whenever we want to make sure where the color is in the end. So you see that I mix the yellow watercolor with pink color, and this way I can create a big stain in the center of my cardstock, and I also like the way the colors mix and we get different color tones, and I can also make sure that I only have the color where I want it to be. Okay, so I also add some stems, the circle stems with yellow cardstock, and now, sorry, not cardstock, watercolor, of course. And now I also want to have another color here, and I'm going for the triangle stamp. And whenever I use a stamp for the first time, I I rub it on the table so that the color can it takes the color better if you rub it a few times on the table. So that's what I do whenever I use it for the first time. Okay, so this is the background. You see that we have different elements, and I also want to have one more element, and I'm going for black ink this time, and just add a few stamps here and there, and then in the end you will only see a little bit of this black ink because the picture and all the embellishments will cover up most of the black shapes, but there are some peaks, and that is something that makes the background more interesting. You see that the yellow and the pink color created a nice orange, and I also want to have some splashes, and I can have it in different varieties if I take off some color immediately and leave the rest to dry, so that they are more heavy in some spaces, and the others are just a light pink. Yeah. Okay, so I really love using black and white pictures with mixed media backgrounds. This is what I'm doing here as well, and I just use some different papers, and the center will be the middle of the white space here, so I will place this cluster on the mixed media background later, and now I can take off the rest of the color splashes to have more sprinkles, and I really like how this turned out. You will see the details later in the close-up pictures, but the background is quite nice, I guess. Okay, so I also added a few more black shapes, because otherwise it would be just 2 or 3. So now I have a nice background and I can start embellishing everything. And I decided to go for white cut file pieces. And I also wanted to have a lot of dimension on this page, so I used a 3D pads to adhere my cluster to the cardstock. And now I can just spread some of these branches and leaves, which I cut from white cardstock with a cut file. And I think that this is a very soft and light layout if you add these pieces on the mixed media background. And this little bow is just the perfect addition for my cluster here. So I put this under the picture, and I also add some more details. And this way you don't need quite a lot, because the background already gives a lot of playful colors, and you just need to add some details to have a nice and interesting page. Okay, so the cut files are free for everyone who has a subscription, so make sure to check out all the details about how to get your kits. And the cut files always match the kits, and you can use them in different sizes, because you can just adjust them for your own purpose. And that is what I like so much about using cut files. You can play with them and do whatever you want. Well, you see that I also want to have a kind of frame, and in the end I decided to go with this stripe paper, because it's also kind of light, and this is a soft and light layout. So the fresh colors and the white space of the pattern paper is a nice addition to the mixed media background which I created. And I really think that mixing up the pink and yellow color can create a lot of beautiful backgrounds. So try it yourself and play with the colors. Don't be shy. You can't do anything wrong. You see that when working with a foil like I did at the beginning, it is quite easy. So this is just the finishing touch. I'm adding the title, and I'm working with the tiny alphabet stickers, the puffy stickers, which come in the embellishment kit. And this way I have a title created by the tiny stickers and this die cut piece. And now just add some shiny dots, and this is what my page looks like in the end. Well, I hope you like to play along and use the color kit as well. I really love it this month. The stamps are just perfect for creating interesting backgrounds. And thank you so much for watching again, and see you soon. Take care and bye bye.